Good morning, students. We have started our chapter friction, and let us start the topic types of friction. Hope you have understood friction. Today I will not explain friction, I will explain in Zoom class. Okay, let us proceed it. Types of friction. Here we will study today types of friction. There are two types of friction: static friction, kinetic friction. So let us consider one by one. Static is a word which means at rest. So here directly I am writing rest. जब कभी भी आपके दिमाग में आप कहीं पढ़ोगे, आप कहीं सुनोगे, whenever you will listen, you understand that this is considered about rest. So static friction, which is about rest. So let us study what is this, then rest, then how the friction occurs. Okay. This is one of the surface, see, and I am keeping one book on this surface, and I am applying force on this book. Just see, I am showing you this paper. This is my hand, one surface. I have kept this another surface. Now you see, I am applying force to this paper. Does this paper is moving? No. I am applying force, but this paper is not moving. So when one object is kept on another object and force is applied, but the body does not move, that friction is known as static friction. Hope you have understood. Once again I am reminding you, when force is applied on the object and object does not move on another surface, or it will not slide on another surface, does not roll on another surface, that means it will remain at rest after application of force also, then that type of force is known as static friction. So I hope you have understood. Next to come this static friction. After this there is one friction known as limiting friction. Limiting friction. Then you will think that फिर ये क्यों हम पढ़े जब हम दो टाइप्स पढ़ रहे हैं. Yes, naturally अगर बॉडी कोई मूव नहीं कर रहा है एक सरफेस पे तो वो फोर्स एक हद तक होगा. There is one critical point, after that the body starts moving. So you see this limiting friction. I have taken one surface again and I have kept book on this surface. I am applying force on this. Okay? Now, as I have applied force, the book is not moving. Which friction? Static friction. Again I have increased. मान लो कि हम पहले 10 Newton force apply किए and the book is not moving. That means what? Static friction. It is not moving. It is at rest. I have increased my force from 10 Newton to 15 Newton and again the book is not moving. That means which type of friction? Static friction. But as just I have increased my force from 15 Newton to 15.5 Newton, the book has this book has started moving. The book has started moving. So as this book has started changing its position, that critical point, that critical force from which it starts moving, that maximum value of the force is known as limiting friction. तो कोई भी बॉडी जब मूव करता है then it cross the limiting friction and then it starts moving. Okay, hope you have understood. Then you come kinetic friction. Kinetic friction is of two types. One is that is rolling friction and another is sliding friction. Say this, sliding friction. Sliding friction is very easy. You will understood because just now I have shown you. See, my hand and I have kept this paper. I am applying force. This paper is sliding. Just see, it is moving. It is sliding. That means one body is moving on another body. So this is the sliding friction. When force is applied and one body slides over the another body, that is known as sliding friction. So you have understood. Now you will come for rolling friction. Student, you have seen nowadays previous, बहुत पहले जब हम लोग कहीं जाते थे, when we used to go anywhere, just we are putting a bag, suitcase, briefcase like that, we are holding that one and then we are going anywhere. But nowadays you have seen a trolley bag has came. Then in our home only you will see in our sewing machine there is roller, in almirah and many things there is roller, table roller. Why this roller is used at the base? That is for rolling friction, because rolling friction is very less. Now we have to apply very less force and the wheel starts rolling and easily we can move. We are just filling our trolley bag full and then also we easily move it. Why? Because there is a roller. When we apply force to that, this roller, by applying less force, it start moving. So rolling friction is less. Rolling friction is less when you will compare to sliding friction, and when you will compare to sliding friction with static friction, so static friction is greater than kinetic friction, and when you will compare rolling friction, sliding friction, then rolling friction is less than sliding friction. So easily we can roll and we can go anywhere, we can do any work, we can use our sewing machine from this room to that room, we push it up, easily it will go, because that roller, when we apply force to this roller, easily this roller rolls down and it easily we can move the object. So students, your work is you write all the definitions and send to me. I'll check it. I am sending you activities. You write activities also in your copy and with figure and send to me. Okay students.